Data Discovery is a hands-on immersive experience for youth to explore the wide range of opportunities within the construction industry.
The data discovery, in terms of an importance or a level of importance from my perspective, is a great way of demonstrating in a larger group setting an opportunity for those to sort of ask questions.
It's a collaborative event with George Brown College and one of our Tridel sites. They get to go on a site tour. They talk about mentorship opportunities, ask questions from industry professionals, and really it's about sparking curiosity and seeing if the construction industry is an opportunity for them as a career choice.
George Brown, usually we have lots of opportunity. We have good connection with people in the industry. We get some scholarship that will encourage students to come to trade, different programs either for the student, even those who are not sure which trade they like, they can come to George Brown.
We got to meet the teachers of each sector, so plumbing, the sheet metal working, and we got to just see their classroom. They told us about what they teach and also about the steps to go into that sector.
The day of discovery is important to me because in my career pathway, discovery was a big aspect of it. I had multiple roles and I tried a bunch of different things to find the right one.
There's so many different sectors, more than just like the actual trades, like there's the business side. You get to see so much and it's like very hands-on.
There's a significant number of different ways to engage in the construction industry.
The youth that are successful and are interested can then apply for our 2-week job shadow as part of the day of discovery.
It was an amazing feeling. It was very good to experience what goes on in construction sites and what different things happen. It's a good learning experience.
It was nice. I haven't really been on a high-rise site before, 20, 40 floors up, so it's pretty cool. Because I've been waiting for a construction job, so I feel like this is kind of another boost for me to just keep trying to look for one.
We got to see how it kind of builds up, like you see the inside workings, and it was really nice to see just how everything starts and not just like the finished product and like, oh, here it is. You got to actually appreciate each person's work and see everything come together.
Today, I hope the youth learned that there's so many options available. It's not just going to school, it's not being a construction worker. There's so many aspects of construction and everybody has their role.
It's always great to see someone who's participated in the day of discovery and then finally end up with us or with others in the trades in one of our Delterra job sites.